Hey everyone, April again here. I got excited about this. I actually didn't show you what the kit looks like on the inside, so I'm gonna go ahead and show you that now. I already started it, but let me turn it around. Okay, as you can see here, sorry, you get your instruction kit. Gives you all your abbreviations. It also just gives you pictures along with what the stitch is. Really cool. Okay, I'm gonna turn it over. And then here's the pattern. Starts with the body, your arms, all of that. It just makes everything really easy of how to do it. And then here's the yarn. We got your gray, your cream, your green, and then the teal. And then here's your stuffing, which is really cool. Oh, and here's your other color as well. You got your crochet hook. It's a, it's not an expensive hook. It's a plastic hook, which I'm fine with. I would have taken forever to try and find my hooks. A needle, which I don't prefer these. I have ones I prefer, so I may never use it. But here you go. I already started. I'm working on the body. I'm on about to go on to row 6. I'm using a stitch marker. Basically, you're doing a slip stitch on each round and just keep going in the round. So I hope this helps you guys. Hopefully the video wasn't too bouncy. I'm trying my best, working with a phone and everything. I hope you guys enjoy this. And I will, like I said, keep you guys up to date. See you soon.